I just scored a sink. Okay, actually it was in the trailer. Apparently I'm good at putting sinks in. The thing kicked my ass. Never leaked. Now I just gotta fit it in. Good times. I'm done for the day. Alright. I'm gonna try to pull that tent. Push it from the inside. I gotta get to it. Also want to pull those emblems off, those letters, and the headlight bezels. For me to do that, I gotta pull the HVAC box. Behind the dash right here, plenty of room. It's my HVAC box. When they put together, they only put about 2 bolts in there, one there, and one underneath there. 2 heater hoses on the left, vent tube on the right. I'm gonna pull it apart. Both parts of the bed and the first layer of the counter. This is what I wanted to show you guys. Last night I laid the vinyl. I was going to film it, but it was about 8 hours worth of work getting this piece trimmed in. Finally got it glued up. It's a huge difference.